what additional tools, services, capabilities does Evolve IP offer in conjunction with our desktop as a service offering to help our clients, right? So, yeah, it's a great question. And I love the answer to this because to me, this speaks to one of Evolve IP's strengths. We are very measured in the way that we approach the manner in which we design our solutions, and we're very granular with the way that we build them. And what I mean by that is, Evolve IP is very happy to kind of serve the full spectrum from, hey, look, if you want us to provide the platform for your DaaS solution so that you can get out of the infrastructure business and get out of the CapEx business of having to buy and manage servers and equipment and all of that stuff and have your own in-house data center and worry about heating and cooling and power and redundant ping and all of those different things from a networking, security, physical perspective, we're happy to do that. Right? If you want us to just be that infrastructure and platform provider, and then you're going to do everything else, no problem. That's a great opportunity for us. Counter to that, if you're on the opposite end of the spectrum, right, and you want us to do everything in that DaaS solution as well. So do remote monitoring and management, right? Do antivirus, do remediation of those things if we see any issues from a performance perspective, an AV perspective that we see some form of an alert or issue within the environment. You want us to do your Microsoft critical updates for patches of the operating system environments for any servers that we host, in addition to all of the desktops that you're running in your DaaS solution. We're happy to do that too. So for what that means for us from what additional services are offered, well, it's a gradual step process along that spectrum to get from one extreme to the other, right? If you wanted Evolve IP to offer that platform and infrastructure for you, and then give you the tools that we would use to manage your environment, but you elect to manage them yourself, we're happy to do that, right? And then we can, charge for the DaaS solution, charge a small fee for the tools from a licensing perspective, but we don't need to charge for managed services. If you then wanted us to offer that management of the tool set that we provide, we're happy to do that too. Then we just, granularly add the managed services in addition to the cost of the tools to the cost of the platform. So, the ones that we see most often, definitely remote monitoring and management. So our RMM utilities, definitely antivirus. So, we're a trend shop at this particular point in time for AV, remediation, management, definition, distribution. One that we have that is coming very soon that we've been working with our product team on, as of the end of Q2 2023 here, is end user experience monitoring, right? So ensuring that when users are connecting into our DaaS seats, that they are getting the best user experience, the best customer experience, client experience in running their applications within that DaaS seat possible. So not just doing our analysis at the operating system level for things like, hey, what's my CPU usage, right? What's my memory usage? How much disk space do I have available? Now we can actually take a more granular look even in there as to the performance of specific applications. Things like, let's just say, hey, if I'm running Teams, what's my call quality of the Teams application inside my DaaS seat? So that's something that we're adding to our DaaS repertoire here very soon. We're always looking at expanding and offering additional opportunities and avenues for growth within DaaS and ways to further solidify the effect with a DaaS solution.